Hey guys, I am new to YouTube and I would help if you would like go to my other videos I have on my page and subscribe. Well, today we're going to be reviewing my my Amazon 50 cal blow dart gun, and in my hat I have my dart. See it? But yeah, very cool thing about this is that it's pretty cheap, for about $13. Really straight. You see, probably weighs about a pound or so. It's all aluminum. It comes with the ammo racks. Originally comes with 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me count these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. About 20 long bullets, like so. Every bullet originally come with bamboos. I upgraded it with broadhead because when you hit an animal, it has knocked down a little better. It has about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's about 8 broad darts, little short, stubby guys. I don't know if I have one. See. I don't have a broad dart. I'll show it if I did. But yeah, do some testing. Take my dart, my hat, safety equipment. Like you can see, these are pretty worn. They will rust if like you shoot them and like leave them outside and you live in a place with high humidity. They will rust. Darts will, but you don't have to worry about your blood again rusting too much. I got mine from a bulk catalog. It has the anti-inhale system to where you put it through and lock it. It won't fall back through to where you won't like suck your needle back into your throat and die. It has, let me get back on there. It has the comfy hand girl. It can tear, but that's very unlikely for it to tear. It's about overall, let's see, probably like 2.5 feet, somewhere on there. I might follow back up on this. It comes with a sling. Sling's alright, pretty cheaply made. But yeah, you have the ammo bolsters there. It's like a 350 FPS one. They come in very higher ones. This is one of the simplest ones you can get, like $9-10, max in 18. But yeah, you have the little rubber piece on the end, keeps you from messing up your barrel. Take that off, show it to you. Like I wanna leave this place for good. It's pretty hard to come off. Yeah, see, there you go. Keeps from eating up your barrel, making it sharp. Yeah, see, almost everything on this gun comes off and comes right back on pretty easily. But I'm pretty sure y'all don't want to hear me talk anymore, so we're gonna do a little bit of testing. So, our test subject will be a empty Kleenex box that I have burnt holes in and everything else, and stabbed with my knife, which is right over here. But I can do another review about this in a different time if you want me to. Is a Miller's Creek. But yeah, time to test. Let me put my dart. No, stab myself. So, let's set up our box. This place for me. Alright, here we go. Let's shoot. As you can see, there's the dart right there. You want through the box, through the box and into the sheetrock with barely a blow. I'll put it the other way so you can see how accurate it is. As you can see, it went through here and out onto the other side. It has a lot of power behind it, and like I said, it's about 350 FPS, and it's really good for like a $5 blowout gun. Get them on bulkcatalog.com. Look that up. BUDK. I might show you a catalog in the near future. Yeah, but really good, really good. Give to your little kid, or I don't know. I know some states are illegal but in Texas are legal. So bye.